Our department has played a leading part in Welsh learning and culture, including literature, education, politics and journalism. You are following in the footsteps of some of the great Welsh scholars.
It's your university, so demand the most from it.
Our department is close-knit, yet outward-looking and progressive, offering the widest range of Celtic language courses than any other university in the world. Our students benefit from broad training that employers value. Our wide-ranging courses encompass a multitude of themes. No matter your literary interests or future aspiration in a global business world, you will find your place here. Aberystwyth Welsh and Celtic Studies is the only department of its kind where you can study historical forms of Welsh and Irish alongside all of the contemporary Celtic languages. That's something we are very proud of.
I've gained excellent communication skills in Welsh and a thorough familiarity with Welsh culture. Now I am confident. All sorts of exciting doors will open in a variety of job sectors.